Good day everyone. So today I will be teaching you on how to create a QR code of your link that you want to promote or evaluate or what. Okay, so this one is a step-by-step process on how are you going to create that QR code. So the first thing that you need to do is to download a QR code maker in Google Play Store. So for me, I download Scan QR in my Google Play Store. So that will be my application that I will going to use later on. So let's say I am going to promote the link of my channel. So this will be now the link of my channel. So I will copy this, and then after that I already copied the link, and then I am now going to the scan QR. So this is an application that I installed in my Google Play Store. So as you can see, there are different options. You can scan a QR code, but our today's focus is to create the QR code. So just simply click create, and then you can now have the options on where are you going to generate the QR code. Now for me, I am going to click the content that I copied from clipboard, which is this one, the YouTube channel link, and then click check. And now this is now my QR code, which I can now share to my subscribers and to different people for them to uh, once they scan the QR code, they can now go to my YouTube channel. So you can save the image or save as image and then save it as PNG. There you have it. So you already have the QR code for your. So this is not the QR code for my YouTube channel.